Nitong Martes ng hapon December 3 ay binasag na ni Rufa May Quinto ang kanyang katahimikan at nagsalita na kaugnay ng kasong isinampa sa kanya at sa inilabas na arrest warrant laban sa kanya. Mariing itinanggi ng aktres ang mga kasong ibinibintang sa kanya at matapang niyang haharapin ang lahat ng ito ayon na rin sa kanyang official statements. I want to take this opportunity to address the recent allegations that have been circulating regarding my involvement in a scam issue. Let me state this unequivocally. Have no connections whatsoever to any fraudulent activity and I categorically deny these baseless accusations. If anything, I am also the victim and I am determined to seek justice. Over the years, I have worked tirelessly to build my career and maintain my untarnished reputation, which is rooted in integrity and dedication. As a public figure, I have always demonstrated professionalism, transparency, and respect for the people and brands I work with. It is dejecting to see my name being dragged through the mud, but remain steadfast and confident that the truth will soon prevail. I will cooperate fully with the authorities and face this issue through the proper legal forum. Rest assured, I will fight for my name and reputation. To those who have extended their love and support, I am grateful. Let us allow justice to take its course, and I humbly ask for your patience and understanding as the truth unfolds. Pahayag ni Rufa May. Nauna rito naglabas na rin pahayag ang kanyang legal counsel kaugnay pa rin sa kasong kinakaharap ng aktres. Hindi rin umano nang hingi ng pera si Rufa May mula sa mga nagdemanda sa kanya, dahil hanggang sa pagiging celebrity endorser lamang ng Dermacare ang partisipasyon niya, hindi pa nga raw bayad si Rufa May sa kanyang talent fee sa naturang kumpanya. She will face those charges, mag-voluntary surrender siya and magpo-post po kami ng bail for that. She's worried kasi hindi naman totoo yung allegations kasi my client po is just a brand ambassador, a model endorser. Ni hindi sa kanya nakapagbayad ng down payment. Tapos yung mga cheque po, puro tumalbog. Lahat po yan hawak naman namin yung ebidensya. Ipipresent namin sa court. Pagtatapos ng abogado ni Rufa May Quinto.